Some people were told for 8 to come early, knowing that the doors don't open until 4:30, but oh my days, we finally made it through to security. The line was just super long. Honestly, I was starting to worry because I wasn't sure whether I'll have enough time to make it to my gate. I don't know why they decided to put us at gate 15. Okay, they might as well just put us outside of the building. Hi. Good, how are you?
When the flight's ready, maybe in the next 2 minutes.
Okay, I saw that it was a 90-minute walk, but...
Yeah, flight's all good. When they make a call here, it goes into your booking time as well.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, we'll see you later, love. Bye. Let's go around the corner and see what's there. This is what it looks like now. Apparently they upgraded last year, and here's the food area. Or you can drink, but we're doing late, so we can't drink anything. That was hard work. Oh my gosh, they brought it in. I'm gonna go. Oh, Mary, that wasn't long. Any free ride, please? Okay, that's what I do for now. Only made it to a gate. So finally on the plane.
All row 1 and the business cabin. All cabin baggage needs to be stowed in the overhead lockers.
Hi, Ruby. Hey. Mwah.
Actual plane flight.
Go. Yum. Oh, there's a water. Seaweed and fruits. Oh, Mary's so cute. We are now having breakfast. Smile. Smile. I don't know what you're shy for. Let's go. Yeah, we're going on a roadie now.
Thank God it's Friday. Been checking on my watch all week. Summer's coming my way, yeah.
Yeah. Seaweed. M&M's. Bananas. Oh my gosh, this.
Call the fam, let them know we heading for the coast. Jump in, it's time to roll out. A little.
I was thinking there's also still cute here, right? Like. You didn't even know. See your suitcases? The road is so pretty. Where are we now? Oh, it's
The
not?
Hunter area.
Where? Oh, sounded like something PNGA. Hi guys, we're just having a little break. We've driven for 4 hours already, or 3. We've got 5 hours to go. It's been a fun roadie. We are going to Brisbane. It's been nice being here with my brother and just catching up as well. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying our vlog and we will keep you posted. See ya. Let's do an update.
No, it's about 3 days. 2.5.
Okay, we'll turn it off again. We'll come back. Here's the big banana. Are you telling me? Are you telling me that this whole time we came here was to check out the banana, and this is the banana, and he compared it to the LMP banana.
No more questions.
There you have it, guys. That was the big banana that we've been waiting for.
Here we go on a road trip with you.
I think it is.
Time for a month, so it's time to roll. Holidays just begun, leave the stress at home. We just keep chasing the sun. Looking where we go on a road trip with you. Road trip with you. Oh, 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 yeah. Road trip with you. Oh, 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 oh. So back up the truck and let's hit the road. Oh, we just keep chasing the sun. Don't care where we go. Hey, I'm road tripping with you.
Everybody don't say I want me, I know them. Don't say I want me, I know them. Everybody don't say I want me, I know them.
And I've been living fast life, but I see it in slow. And you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the dope. See many people there outside where they feed Nanzobo. I'm here standing this and I like you said. My girl say she want Netflix and chill, so I just get give her money.
Show Rumi for driving.
Can you see people? I'm not catching. I'm not faking this, no fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching.
Oh, this is Jeff. Oh, you're so going. We weren't sure if this was you guys' house. Oh yeah. Who's home?
Everyone.
Oh, thanks for having us. Cass, how are you? Oh.
Ew! Promise, Auntie Joyce's niece, and we're just doing a quick tour in the house. This is Mom and Dad.
Thank you for watching, guys. Charlie and I have made it to Brisbane. It's good seeing the Brovie and his little family, but look out for the next vlogs as I will be here for 5 days. So off to catch up with my family, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See ya!